Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda. I'm so excited because I've partnered up with IGK to bring you guys this video. I am going to be showing you how to get this freshly washed look without actually washing your hair. And I know, I feel your pain. I also strongly dislike washing my hair. I would use the word hate, but hate is a very strong word, but I will just say I strongly dislike washing my hair because it's a process. It really is. You have to blow dry it, you have to do a treatment, and if I don't blow dry it, I end up looking like Mufasa, and then, you know, it's just a whole thing. So if I can go as long as possible without washing my hair, I'm going to do it. I've literally have gone maybe like a week without washing my hair, and I'm the happiest person because I can just take a body shower and just go. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. I'm going to style it, and I'm also going to show you guys the before because it is flat. And you guys can see I have like a nice little bounce, and it looks freshly washed. It looks really clean. So if you want to see how I get this look, then just keep on watching. So I just got my hair done about 3 days ago, and I haven't washed it. My friend Daniel dyed it and trimmed it. Right now I'm on my 3rd day of not washing my hair. I like to push it to like 5 days. I know it seems crazy, but I don't like to wash my hair, especially freshly done, because I just want to make sure that my hair just looks nice and fresh as long as possible. I have curly hair and I produce a lot of oil. By like the 2nd or 3rd day, I'm like already like dying because I need to wash my hair. As you guys can see, I have a lot of oil. I'm gonna show you, just kind of like open up my hair. Even here, you can see it's like really oily because it starts kind of like making its own crease right here. First, you're gonna need dry shampoo. This one is the First Class by IGK, and this is a charcoal detox dry shampoo. You guys have seen me talk about this in my Insta stories. I love using this. I honestly can go a whole week without washing my hair because of this dry shampoo. This is the charcoal detox dry shampoo, the deep cleanse level, detoxifying, oil erase, scalp soothing. The reason why I love this is because it doesn't make my scalp dry. I already have a really dry scalp, and this is a heavy duty dry shampoo, which is the reason why I love using it, because I tend to get pretty oily on my 2nd and 3rd day. A lot of you guys also have that same problem, so this right here kind of gives you that freshly washed hair look. It allows you to go even longer between washes, even after workouts. So one of the reasons why I hate working out is because I have to wash my hair, because usually, you know, your hair gets wet and like oily and it just starts smelling, and this right here is going to be a lifesaver if you work out. I haven't worked out in a long time, so do not judge, but this definitely is going to help you if you are like a workout fanatic. It's a charcoal powder, lifts dirt and builds up while absorbing oil and sweat. The white tea powder soothes the scalp and straightens the hair follicles, which is amazing. I have also noticed that the amount of hair that falls out every single time I wash it, it lessens. If the hair follicles are very weak, you tend to just like shed like crazy in the shower. You're definitely gonna need a dry shampoo, and then I love using the Elanette satin hairspray. This hairspray is so silky. It makes your hair feel so smooth, but at the same time keeping the style that you want. So if you're gonna curl it, it's gonna curl it. If you're gonna pin it down, it's gonna stay pinned down. So that's the reason why I love using this hairspray. Next, you're gonna need a wand. This one is by Numi. You're gonna need a hair tie and just a clip just to kind of hold your hair in. So we're gonna go ahead and start the process with the dry shampoo. So first, what you wanna do is you wanna shake it really well before you start applying it on your hair. What I like to do is I like to use my nail just to kind of section my hair. So when I started using dry shampoo, I'm not gonna lie, I was just like, I'm not gonna use dry shampoo because it dries my scalp, it leaves white residue, and it just leaves my hair feeling super sticky. This one right here doesn't do that. It doesn't leave your hair white, and on top of that, it doesn't leave like that stickiness on your hair. So with this, you have to let it sit for about 30 seconds before you kind of massage it into your hair. So what I like to do is I like to spray it as if I'm just going back and forth like that. And then I move on to the next section. In the areas where I know I have a lot of oil, I apply a little bit more. And you want to do that throughout your whole head. Then you run it down the middle. And then you do the same step, section by section. Honestly, this could be a look. Then I also like to spray it in the front. I don't know if you guys can see, the difference is already starting to give me a little bit of volume, and I haven't even worked it into my scalp. So after it's been sitting there for about 30 seconds, what I like to do is I like to go in and then just start kind of massaging it into my head. And then the white residue starts dissolving. Just kind of give yourself a massage, treat yourself, because you know, we don't do this quite often. So you just continue going in, massaging. Especially with people that have really dark hair, that was like a struggle for me trying to find a really good dry shampoo, because it just would leave my hair looking really gross and just not cute. Especially if I just got my hair done and it looks really nice and dark. I don't want to go in with a dry shampoo that's gonna make it look really dull. I can already see the difference, like the texture in my hair. It's like starting to get more volume. It feels fresh. So after you're done massaging the dry shampoo into your hair, you can already start seeing the bounce back into your hair, which I really, really love. And that's the reason why I feel like my hair is so healthy now, is because I don't wash it as often. It just gives me like a really nice, like fresh wash look, and it makes my hair smell super fresh, which I really love, because who doesn't want to have like freshly hair look? Look at that. It gives me so much volume, and there's no residue, which is the best part. I'm gonna curl it a little bit just so you guys can see how I like to style my hair. So what I like to do is I like to do my hair in sections. I like to part it up here, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You can just part it however you feel most comfortable. Then I just part it down the middle, and then I just start curling. And with this one, I like to curl outwards and just lightly hold it, twirl it, and then hold it down and just kind of press it in like that. So your curl should look like this, and then you just continue the process. And the reason why I like to twirl it like this is so the heat can just go through the hair instead of damaging your hair more. And I also like to do smaller sections as well, so you can have like a little bit of extra bounce. And with the smaller section, I don't leave the heat on as much as I would do a thicker section. All right, so now that we've got that bottom part done, we're just gonna part this right in the middle. And again, it doesn't have to be a perfect part. Then we're gonna part. And we're also going to use one of these clips to help us hold the other section. We're just gonna continue the process. When it comes to the front, what I like to do is I like to just curl the tip just a little bit, not so much, because I don't want to have like those curls all the way up here. So it just gives me like a little swoop down here. So your hair should look a little something like this. After I've curled my hair, I like to just kind of run my fingers through the hair just to kind of loosen up the curls a little bit. And because this is just like almost like an everyday, I want it to look like very effortless curls. I don't like to spray my hair in between each curl. I curl my hair, and then towards the end, I grab my Lynette hairspray, and then I just lightly run the hairspray through my hair, and it gives me that extra bounce. And then I spray it at the top to kind of just get rid of those flyaways. and then just run my fingers through it one more time, and there you have it. All right, everyone, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite IGK dry shampoo is. If you haven't tried it, if you want to try it, you have tried them, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.